It's gonna be a long video, y'all better buckle up. So, ever since I got this truck, I've been having issues with it. Cold starting, hot starting, just starting in general. And so, like, a month in, I bought all this testing shit to go ahead and fucking test it. So, we're gonna try doing that today. Okay, so feed from lift pump has to be 380 milliliters per 10 seconds. I'm just going to use the added tap thing right here. That holds almost 1,000 milliliters. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's good enough for me. So as you can see, definitely has enough lift pump. So great. Now, I've tested this before, didn't see anything. So I don't expect to see anything now. Oh, it's so loud. So since this test says to do it with it warm, just took a pretty casual drive with this attached, and a little bit came out. That might be part of the problem. Doubt it. Next step is to get back there in the engine bay and put this little doodad in, and then connect a hose to it and measure the return from the CP3. So that fitting is a 17, not 19. Got this set up. This test is only supposed to be 1,000 milliliters, which is the entire thing, so I'm gonna cut it short at 30. It's gotta be under 1,000 at a minute. 30 seconds should be what, 500? Okay, clearly I missed a bunch of steps. I got everything situated. The CP3 return is 0. It doesn't return anything. This return is ungodly high. Like it's like 1,000. It's like, well, it's just shy of 1,000. It's probably like 900 if I had to guess. So, yikes. Bottle's in place. Oh, this poor starter. Wait about 20 seconds to start. So, here my boy Matt. So, tested 4. I'm going to go ahead and assume that, you know, we should just replace them all. So, fuck.